In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete emails in Microsoft Outlook in the year 2025. This guide will help you manage your inbox efficiently so you can focus on the emails that matter to you most. Let's start by visiting Outlook online. You can do this by going to either outlook.office.com or outlook.com on your web browser. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your mailbox. This is your main hub of communication, and staying organized here is key to maintaining productivity throughout the day. Now, once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the folder that you wish to clear out. This could be your inbox, junk folder, or perhaps the sent items folder, wherever you have amassed a significant number of emails that you need to delete. Clearing these out will not only declutter your space, but also help in ensuring a smoother operation of your email service. Next, let's select all the emails in your chosen folder. To do this, look for the small checkbox at the top of your email list. It's usually located above the very first email in the list. Once you click this, you will notice that an option appears in the top bar, allowing you to select all messages in folder name. Click on this option, and every single email in that folder will be selected for action. It's a swift way to make sure nothing gets left behind. The following step is deletion. Click on the delete icon, which is often represented by a trash can symbol. This action will move all selected emails to your deleted items folder. It's important to note that these emails aren't permanently deleted yet, they are simply moved out of your primary view, reducing clutter. To completely remove these emails from your account, you'll need to empty the deleted items folder. Simply navigate to the deleted items section from the sidebar. Once you're there, look for the option that says empty folder and click on it. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure that you want to proceed with this action. Confirm this and watch as all the emails in the folder vanish for good, freeing up valuable space and reducing digital clutter. Here's a little pro tip to streamline your email management further. You can right-click on any folder and select Empty Folder to achieve the same result without needing to sift through the deleted items folder manually. This shortcut can save time and keep your email workspace neat and tidy with minimal effort. By following these steps, you can stay on top of your email organization effortlessly, keeping